Hi guys, Derek. Well, we've finished this freaking beasts. Guys, this is something else. This is a first. We've taken a 500-liter tank, built it on a trailer. We've mounted four 4-kilowatt piston pumps for this client. They're doing heavy-duty cleaning and stuff, chicken farms, butcheries, hospitals. Oh, this is freaking something cool. We've mounted everything on a box. So like your reels, left top, you can switch it on. Hose reel per hose reel. 4 hose reels, 100 meters each. You've got your inlet. So from here, it measures how much water is the unit using. It's going through proper filters. It's got a float switch inside the tank. There you connect it to your 3-phase. Here at the back is where the business is happening. There you've got your 4 hose reels, which you can pull in, so you can actually work 4 people at once. We've put leg stands at the back. They've taken a cabinet to put in all the guns and the nozzles and the extra accessories. Oh, freaking hell, what else is here? Let me show you here. Here's our 4-kilowatt pumps. All of them nice fly leads, proper filters included. Obviously with our unloaded returns. So what this is doing, you can set down this unit from your 150 bar down to 1 bar. And yeah, they actually took 2 of them. So these guys are gonna run 4 things together. Obviously, here's our LS foam lance. Guys, this thing sprays any type of foam, make it shaving cream. Then they've got a turbo nozzle on the one side and a normal nozzle. And then obviously, they're also using our surface paving cleaner. This is a 500 ml, half a meter surface cleaner. It's got nozzles at the bottom. So you just walk behind it and then you clean your forecourts, your services, pavings, everything like that. Well, guys, I think this came out freaking cool. Tell us what you think.